Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, technology package, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.